With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, so question says this: arrange the order of COH bond length, right? That is COH bond length of the following compound, right? So the compound A is methanol and B compound is phenol and compound C is para-ethoxyphenol, right? So we have to arrange the CO bond length, right? So let's try to solve this question, right? So we have methanol, right? So that is CH3, I can write here that is CH3OH, right? So this is compound A and the another compound is phenol, right? So another compound is phenol, right? So this is phenol. I can write here this is phenol. And the next compound is para-ethoxyphenol, right? So this is phenol. This is phenol, right? So this is phenol. And at the para position, right? So at the para position there is ethoxy group. That means OC2H5, right? So OC2H5. That means this is para-ethoxyphenol, right? So now we have to find out the CO bond length order, right? So CO bond length order, right? So as we know that single bond length has a more, you can say that the single bond, right? So single bond has a more bond length as compared to double bond, right? So as you can see here, in case of phenol, right? So in case of phenol, right? So in case of this phenol, right? So this is, there is a lone pair, right? So and this lone pair participate in the resonance, right? So you can say they lone pair delocalize here, right? So they're the delocalize here and there's the result of double bond character, right? Partial double bond character. So the structure becomes like this, right? So the structure becomes like this, right? So it becomes like this. So you can see here. So this, the structure becomes like this. This is negative and here like this, right? So as you can see this CO bond length has a partial double bond character, right? So and here in this case para-ethoxyphenol, right? So para-ethoxyphenol, right? So there is also a lone pair, right? So there is also a lone pair and they will also take part in resonance, but due to the presence of this para-ethoxy group, right? So this due to the presence of this ethoxy group, because it has a plus M effect, right? So it has a plus M effect, right? So due to this, the double bond character of this COH bond, that means the double bond character of this CO bond, right? So decreases as compared to phenol, right? Because of this plus M effect of this, because there's a lone pair also here and they also take part in the resonance, right? So they also take part in resonance, right? So due to this, their double bond character, right? So their double bond character decreases, right? That means if I assign it, this is compound first, right? So if I assign it, let's say this is compound A, right? And this is compound B, and this is compound C, right? So here you can see this. If I assign the bond length order, that means this carbon, as we know that this carbon is sp2, right? So this not sp2, this is sp3, right? So this is sp3, right? And there is a single bond. That means single bond has a more bond length as compared to double bond, right? So that means the compound A, that is CO bond length, right? So I am assigning the CO bond length order, that is COH bond length order. That means in the compound A, the A compound has a more CO bond length as compared to B and C. Now question arises, so which one has a high CO bond length, right? So either it will be B or C, right? So here you can see this, in the case of compound C, that is para-ethoxyphenol, here there is a plus M effect, right? And this plus M effect will inhibit this resonance, right? So or you can say this delocalization of this electron, which indicates that there is a more single bond character, or you can say less double bond character as compared to phenol, right? So there is a less single double bond character as compared to phenol, right? So in this way, I can say this, the compound C, that means the compound C has a more bond length, right? So the compound C has a more bond length as compared to B, right? So as compared to B, right? So I can say this. So this becomes our C first get priority, and after this B compound will the least priority. That means B compound has a least, or you can say B compound has a smallest CO bond length, right? Smallest C single bond O length, right? So here, so let's see the options are A, B and C, right? A, C, B and C, B, A and B, C, A, right? So here you can see clearly this, the A, the compound A, that means methanol. Methanol has a high order of CO bond length. That means after A we are getting C, right? So after A we are getting C. That means option B becomes the correct answer, right? And option A, C and D becomes the wrong answer, right? So hope this answered your question. So thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.